Today I am reviewing the Osaki OS Pro Admiral AS massage chair with LED light control. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a massage chair that delivers a true spa-level experience right inside your home, then the Osaki OS Pro Admiral AS massage chair is one of the most impressive options you can invest in. This model combines advanced technology, smart body mapping, full body coverage, and premium comfort features to create a relaxing experience that feels professional, consistent, and highly customizable. Today, I'm going to take you through a detailed review of the Admiral AS, explaining what makes it special, why people love it, and what kind of experience you can expect from it. Let's start with one of its biggest highlights, the advanced 3D massage technology. A lot of massage chairs offer rollers, but very few allow you to control the exact extension of the rollers the way this model does. The 3D mechanism basically lets you adjust how deeply the rollers press into your muscles. Whether you prefer a light, soothing massage, or something more intense for deeper relief, you can tailor this chair exactly to your preference. This level of control is essential for anyone who deals with muscle stiffness, soreness from long work days, or tension buildup over time. Now, paired with this 3D technology is the SL Track system, another standout feature. The reason the SL Track matters so much is because it follows the natural curve of your spine. The massage starts from your neck, travels down your back, and then continues all the way to your glutes and upper hamstrings. This gives you a much more complete and continuous massage experience compared to older designs that stop midway. The full-length track makes the chair ideal not just for relaxation, but also for posture support and long-term comfort. Before every session, the chair automatically performs an auto body scan. This might sound simple, but it's actually a crucial feature because it ensures the massage fits your body perfectly. The Admiral AS scans your shoulder height and the key pressure points along your back to determine how it should adjust the rollers for maximum accuracy. This customization means every user, whether tall or short, gets a personalized session that feels natural and effective. Once the scan is done, you can even recalibrate it if needed. When it comes to full body coverage, the Osaki Admiral goes even further with its 24 airbag system, delivering strategic compression massage for multiple zones. These airbags are placed around the shoulders, arms, lower back, calves, and feet. Compression massage is incredibly beneficial because it boosts blood circulation, reduces muscle fatigue, and helps your entire body feel lighter and more relaxed. For people who spend long hours standing, walking, or sitting, this can make a huge difference. Moving down to the foot area, you'll find one of the chair's most refreshing and unique features, the foot Reflexology Rollers. These rollers use a spinning, kneading motion that targets sensitive areas on the soles of your feet. This isn't just soothing. Reflexology can help improve circulation, reduce stress, and relieve tension stored in the legs and feet. If you're someone who deals with foot discomfort or simply enjoys a thorough foot massage, this part of the Admiral AS will noticeably stand out. Next, let's talk about something that really enhances the comfort level, zero gravity mode. Inspired by NASA's reclining posture, this position distributes your body weight evenly to reduce pressure on your spine. In zero gravity, the chair supports your body in a way that makes the massage feel deeper and more effective. It's one of the most relaxing features and truly makes you feel weightless while the chair does all the work. Another major advantage is the wide selection of 15 auto massage programs. These programs range from gentle relaxation modes to more specialized routines designed for fatigue recovery, stretching, deep tissue work, and even daily refresh sessions. With so many preset choices, the chair works great for beginners who just want to sit and enjoy without manually adjusting settings. For added convenience, the chair also supports multiple languages, including English, Chinese, and Korean. This may seem like a small detail, but for many users it makes the interface more intuitive and accessible. You can simply choose your language from the settings menu and navigate the system comfortably. A comfort feature that users love is the lumbar and calf heating function. The built-in heating pads warm your lower back and calves during the massage, helping loosen stiff muscles and boosting circulation. Heat therapy enhances relaxation and makes the massage feel more soothing, especially after long, stressful days or during colder seasons. Finally, the chair includes space-saving technology, allowing it to recline fully even when placed close to the wall. This is extremely useful for smaller bedrooms, apartments, or home offices where space is limited. Overall, the Osaki OS Pro Admiral AS massage chair offers an excellent balance of premium features, powerful performance, and comfort. With its combination of 3D rollers, SL Track design, full-body airbags, Reflexology Foot Rollers, automatic body scanning, zero gravity mode, heat therapy, and 15 auto programs, it provides one of the most complete massage experiences available in its class. If you're looking for a massage chair that genuinely feels high-end and offers long-term benefits for relaxation, comfort, and muscle recovery, this model is an outstanding choice that delivers consistent quality every time you use it.